Right guys, welcome back to another DJ Wilkes golf video. So, as you might already know, we are not on the golf course. We're in my studio. So this is where all the behind the scenes, all the magic happens basically. So this is where we make all my YouTube videos, and today I'm showing you how I make my shot tracers. I don't really make it, I use Shot Tracer Pro. So Shot Tracer Pro is a paid for app on Mac. You can buy it through Mac or online Shot Tracer Pro. What this does is create that lovely line that you see the ball, so you can see where it is. So I've opened up Shot Tracer Pro. We click import video. So I'm going to choose this one and this one. It'll then analyze, and it will analyze up here, which is done quite fast because we've already done these videos before. So we click on the video and then it will show us what we've got. So if I click play, we can see it. And that is pretty good. So we can move the landing point around. Obviously it might go a bit weird. So if that does happen, if you select the top left here, it will regenerate the tracer. There we go, back to where it was before. Then we'll move this back down to there, to where it was, and if we watch it again, lovely. So what we'll do now is show you the other one. So here's the same again. This one, we just need to move it down a little bit here, and then we click play. And we can watch that all the way down. Nice. So that's as simple as that. If for any reason it doesn't track, you can select the little gear icon, edit trajectory, and then I use keyframing because this is the most similar to what it's already creating. It's the well, as you can see, it says most accurate line. So you click keyframing, and then obviously I'm not going to change this because we've already done it, but what you would do is you would go back to the impact frame, set the impact frame, and then you, every time the ball moves, you click it. So if we zoom in, you might be able to see the ball. Yeah, so if we click next frame, we can still see the ball. So if we click the ball there every time, add a few more keyframes, and this makes the shot tracer perfect. So then what you would then do is continue to set landing position, which is obviously there, and then we create the line. And that just makes it a little bit more accurate. So once you've got that, both of them videos are done. You've then got a few different options. So human cutout, so this will cut out the line if it goes behind you, so it looks like the ball is flying in front of you like it is. You've got tracer type, which you've got all these different ones. I quite like this one that I'm using, it's pointy 3D. Tracer effect, fade out, so that will just fade the whole tracer out when you're finished. Fly out during flight, I think this shows you as you do it. So that just follows it down after, like so. And then we've got fly out after landing. So once the ball has landed, it will then follow where the ball's gone. As you can see, now it's landed, it'll follow it back. Right, so I just have it fade, because I quite like that one. Tracer start size, so I've got it 50, which is quite nice. I want it sort of the same size of the ball, which is what I'm after. I want it to look as professional as possible, but if I change that to 100, you obviously get quite thick. And then you've got the end size, which is 5, which I like it smaller, I like it looking like it's getting smaller further away, but you can change that. And obviously thicker, you can change it. But we'll stick to 50 and 5. So then we've got tracer colour. So you've got the option here to have 2 colours. So you can see where it starts red and then goes into blue. Play that again. which is pretty cool. I like box standard colours, that's what I usually go for. So obviously once you've got this colour that you want, you can change it all here. And then we've got glow, so this is like a shadow on the side of the ball, which if we change that and that, we get this cool glow. And if you go full, you get obviously massive glow, or you get a little bit. You then got casted shadow, which is a shadow which runs across the bottom, which you can turn on and off, but obviously looking for professionalism, it's like that. A few more different things, so fade starter tracer, so that just makes it look a lot cleaner in my opinion. And then you've got fade ender tracer, which I don't like because I like it being right at the bottom. And then hide tracer after how many seconds, so once you've seen it, it'll go and disappear after so many seconds. Flight time, if for whatever reason the tracer isn't following the line bang on, like the ball is in front of the line, you can try and change the flight time so that then they meet, because that's all due to how long it's in the air. Straighten, sometimes it might be a little bit wayward, so if you just put the straighten. And then we've got outline thickness, which is here. So for example, if we just keep it red, we've got the outline. And then we've got a couple of other options as well. So we've got the apex. This is some of the stuff that you'll see on live TV, and then you've got the show distance. And actually, if I'm right in saying, when you put these up, they actually count it as it goes. Yeah. Which is quite cool. But then, obviously, that isn't how far the hole was. So we just change it over here. For example, 100 yards. Pretty cool. I don't tend to use them much, but they're there if you want to. Then we've also got mask. So what this is for is if you've hit over the top of a tree and you can't see the ball because of the tree, you would then mask this out, this section of where the tree is. Which what this makes that part of the line disappear. So then when it comes back over the tree and you can see the ball, the line reappears and it makes it look more realistic. Obviously this time I don't need to use it. So that's all the settings. So then what you've then got is on the top, output resolution. So I just leave it as source because that's what I'm using it, but you've obviously got 4K, 1080, 720. As source works fine for me. And then you've either got trim individual shots. So this literally gives you a few seconds either side of when you hit the ball and after the shot tracer's disappeared. So, which is quite good if you just want that little section of the video. But if you're using long videos like me, if you're making the YouTube videos, I just tend to leave entire video start to end. This way I can literally pull that straight into my editing software and edit the whole video. So once you've done that, you can then click down on this arrow and then you can select if it exports all shots selected or just the current. I think we're pretty much good to go. So if we export all shots, let's put a new folder in, test. And then we just click open. So this will now save all of that as is, the entire video start to finish, and that will go straight on into that folder, ready for me to use on my next video. So it's as simple as that. Obviously, when you export the videos, the more videos you are putting into the shot tracer, the longer it's obviously going to take to export. But it does update often to make sure it can export stuff a lot faster and more at the same time. But that is basically it. I'm not going to sit here and wait for it to export because obviously I've already got the videos as is. But that is how we make the shot tracers. If you found this video useful and you've liked what you've seen and you want to see more of it, let me know in the comments. We'll hopefully get some more of these tutorial videos out to show you what I do to create my videos and get them to look in how they do, because I often get questions all the time of how do you make that shot tracer, how do you make that? That is it, simple as that. Don't forget to obviously like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.
What would you rather, him staying by you or him scratching your door and also getting on my nerves? Come on boy, go again.
Watch what he does. Watch what he'll do.
Can you not do your video with him?
No.
He's gonna be. He will get you the views. Just tell everyone, look, this is my dog. He's like my shadow. If I don't have him in here, he will scratch the door, and that's even worse.
Look at him, sparkly.
Goodbye.
How am I supposed to create a tutorial video if he's here? Do you want to get down?
He'll help you. Why are you recording yourself? Can you not just record the screen?
No. I'll have me in the corner down there. Do you not know how you do these tutorials? Okay. You've got no idea.
Just stay with dogs.
Alright. Don't forget to obviously like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.